The Infochimps Enterprise Cloud for Big Data is a comprehensive solution for solving business problems with data. First, the Infochimps Cloud is a complete platform that allows you to tackle difficult analytic problems in real time with Storm, batch time with Hadoop, and query time with HBase and Elasticsearch. In addition, we provide all the glue to bring these analytics together and help them make sense. Second, the Infochimps Cloud is a managed service that handles all the complex big data technologies and processes, giving you a simple, developer-friendly interface. It lets you focus on creating the applications that drive value for your business instead of spending your time staffing and managing a big data infrastructure stack. Third, the Infochimps Cloud covers a number of different use cases: big data, fast data, and complex data. Fourth, Infochimps make it possible for you to deploy your big data applications anywhere you choose. That could be public cloud, private cloud, virtual private cloud, in our data center or in yours. We want to make it so you can deploy big data anywhere you choose, however you want. The Infochimps Cloud is comprised of several components. Cloud Streams, dealing with streaming data and real-time analytics with Storm, which comes from Twitter. Cloud Hadoop, which is an elastic Hadoop clustering technology for handling batch analytics. Cloud Query, which is fast NoSQL databases and ad hoc query-based analytics with HBase and Elasticsearch. Command Center, which provides real-time visibility and management of all Infochimps Cloud services, applications, and data flows. And our cloud APIs and tools, specifically Wukong and IronFan, the right tools for rapidly developing big data solutions. These components allow you to respond to all your analytic use cases in a single platform and in a unified way. Here's how that technology comes together. You have input data. It could be HTTP in real time. It could be flat files. It could be logs coming in over streaming. That data comes into Cloud Streams, where it's handled and real-time analytics are performed. That data can then be passed to Hadoop for storage or additional batch processing, or into a NoSQL database in Cloud Queries. Also, Hadoop and Cloud Queries could easily be talking to one another for doing more analytics in batch time. You connect your application either to Hadoop with Hive and Pig or directly to a database in Cloud Queries. We also provide the Command Center layer that can look at everything that's going on and provide you with operational details so that you can run your system optimally. Also, this is a managed service where Infochimps brings together all the pieces of the infrastructure so you don't have to. Best of all, we're able to deploy this as our standard reference platform, or SRP, providing an initial environment in just a few days and building a complete production solution in less than 90 days. The Infochimps Cloud is based on our standard reference platform, our Bible for big data infrastructure. Infochimps was once a data marketplace, serving up over 15,000 data sets with a very small staff, so we understand what it takes to build a scalable, reliable, automated platform for big and fast data. The SRP can process billions of events per day and scale to hold petabytes of information without breaking a sweat because it's built on our own experiences. The SRP includes many things that teams new to big data might not understand. A full SRP might include 60 plus machines that are doing everything from real-time processing to in-depth number crunching to security monitoring or logging or serving up databases. Keeping all these up and running and ensuring system and data integrity is a full-time job that requires significant skill and expertise. Here's a view of Command Center, our holistic monitoring and integration system for the Infochimps Cloud. It allows a user to view all the clusters and servers in the SRP and to drill down in the most important parts of the infrastructure. In addition, you can look at critical metrics to fully understand system and application performance. For example, a user might notice a particular feature of an application is running a bit slower than usual. Troubleshooting this problem in a Hadoop environment can be very difficult, involving signing on a dozen machines, executing obscure commands, and searching for clues using cryptic Unix tools. Using Command Center, we can see exactly what's going on inside our subsystems. For example, in this case, we can see all our database clusters in their current states, whether they're running up or down. In addition, we can drill down and see that there's more than enough disk space here, and there aren't too many read queries happening right now. However, we can see the database is being loaded at a rate of thousands of records per second. With Command Center, you can see all the important information you need to keep your infrastructure in tip-top shape, even if you're working with cutting-edge things like NoSQL or Hadoop. Another interesting feature is real-time visualization. Here's an example of Kibana, an open source visualization engine that's built into Infochimps SRP. These are dynamic dashboards examining Twitter data around the 2014 Baseball World Series, and each were built in just a few minutes. We can inspect every record as it passes through the system and see trends in current data. The Infochimps platforms allow you to segment your audience effectively, make decisions, and take action in real time and at scale. Here, we're looking at the Twitter stream, seeing what subjects are being discussed, where they're being discussed, and who the influencers are in the decision. We can also see who's providing original content and who's simply repeating what's being said. Also, we can take a slightly more detailed look and understand sentiment analysis, so know what's being said and what they actually mean, what they care about as they're tweeting. By the way, to build each of these dashboards, we leverage several of the open source tools that Infochimps has created, such as Wukong, a domain-specific language for big data. While the Infochimps Cloud is fully compatible with standard tools like Java, Pig, and Hive, we also provide value-added open source tools to make management and development significantly more effective. This brings up an important point. A big data infrastructure is not going to reach its full potential without very good analytic applications. However, these are really among the most difficult applications to build in today's environment, especially with a shortage of qualified personnel. Based on these concerns, a new kind of application is essential to empower your business to make successful on-the-fly course corrections. These applications have to be much more agile and iterative, launching in days and not years, with iterations available after launch. To achieve this, two things are required: an agile big data infrastructure and agile big data application and code. Infochimps has recently announced our application reference design. These are code-building starter kits and design frameworks for addressing specific business use cases. These use cases support one or many industry verticals and quickly showcase tangible business value and provide a starting point for rapid application development and iteration. Infochimps and CSC have developed app reference designs for social media analytics, advertising technology, customer experience management, and manufacturing. We also see significant opportunities to develop or co-develop reference applications in key industries such as insurance, financial services, healthcare, and government.